How to fix message sent before this device was added to this conversation. This message cannot be delivered on Messenger. Hi everybody. If you are getting this on Messenger, you can follow up the steps. So for that, when you head over to Messenger application, and go ahead and what you can do is you can go ahead and once you're on Messenger, you can go ahead and close up your Messenger application. And then go ahead and open it up again and restart your Messenger. And if that doesn't work, also restart your device. Another thing is ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data, because that may be also the issue. Apart from that, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store. And from there, go over to the bottom right corner and head over to the search bar. Type in Messenger. And then go ahead and update your app to the latest version. Also clear the app's cache. So for that, you can long press on Messenger. Go to the info section at the top. And then from there, go ahead and clear cache by going to storage and clear cache. Another thing is ensure that Messenger has all the necessary permissions. For that, you can head over to the Messenger, long press on it. Go to the info section at the top again. And then from permissions, make sure you have given all of the necessary permissions for the application. Another thing is you can head over to Messenger and then tap on one of the chats and ensure that your chat is end-to-end encrypted. If it is not, you can go to the chat and tap on their name. After that, this opens up and you should be finding end-to-end encrypted and ensure that. And that's it for now. You can follow up the steps in order to fix it for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.